sa ke go re ntse snapele se se aka
o no rata se seo mo mama ena ona le di-followers tse dintšhe go Facebook so make sure sharp
so tla ke abuse again mo
Serious.
bana o motho o tsela tsa nna fast phuza ka tsela tsa nna fast
What do you want to
mona e viral picture
Hey, Hey, Mom.
Yeah, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah. Yeah. Bon, okay, yeah. What's happening, guys? So, what's gonna happen now is that we're gonna enter the streets. You know how it is. We love being in the streets just to see what's happening, motivate the youngins that are from the same corner as us, and then we're gonna collect my my older brother's son. Then we're gonna be seeing what's happening. But for now, we are gonna be leaving this section and we're gonna be heading over to the other side of town. But so far, updates: Bitcoin price went up. We bought Bitcoin. I think it was like around 21,800, somewhere around those levels. It spiked up all the way up to like 22,800, something like that, over thousands of points. And yeah, we were able to secure something from it. So I'm excited. I'm happy. Even US30 yesterday, we saw a beautiful trade. And it was super insane in the private groups. But I'll leave the link to the Telegram group where you'll be able to get access to some of these, signals and trade ideas that we send. But yeah, that's what's gonna be happening now. Where are you guys going and what your day is gonna be like? No, I want one. Just a simple question. Where are they going and what your day is gonna be like?
We are going to the mall. We are going to do shopping because it's month end. Why not?
Month end shopping.
That's
and you?
because I'm dating a trader. It's month end every day.
Month end every day because I'm dating a trader.
Every day.
Away. Bye, guys. Away. Yeah, this is the song. Yeah.
Homies in the ground in the dirt. I stay true to my squad like I'm dirt. Wala moto wala la masema. Nagatso aselo and on yagontega. My uncle died, I was barely over 12.
risking my heart condition. Rest in peace to my fallen homies. Will I become a rendition? Because the PTSD from the dead bodies I saw don't do me well. As I said, I never fail. So angry. Feel depressed, I wasn't there when my big homie was buried. Taught me the street code ever since those lessons I carried. Don't turn in your grave, I walk the route that you really paved. Pilly's way too small for the secrecy that I craved. When it feels like depression, the low down leaves a pretty impression. When I carry this weapon, I wonder if it's just regression. My only cap is when I keep it bottled up. Feel betrayed because some of my homies kept my ops caught on.
Living on the edge, keeping me level. Money come and go, I'ma keep it forever.
What you say?
Flip upside down.
Yo.
Okay, I know. Now we just landed here. Magasi, like, you know, back home. This is my street this year, to be honest. And yeah, so what's gonna happen? We came to collect my brother. You gotta spot the sage. So after here, we're moving over to the other side of the hood, but the other hood, the other side. So, and we're gonna be representing, collecting his son. So yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Here is your shirt. Here is your